Level 1. The Kobun, Apprentice Child. You're 16, orphaned in Osaka's back alleys after the 2011 earthquake. No family, no school, just survival. An old man with missing fingers spots you stealing rice from a market. He doesn't call police. He offers food. Work for me. You're a Kobun now, the lowest rank, living at Yakuza HQ. Your days? Clean toilets, cook rice for 50 men, shine shoes. No pay, just shelter. You learn etiquette, bow deeper to seniors, never cross legs, pour sake properly. One mistake, a dropped tray, and a senior slaps you, hard. Disrespect! You bow lower. Nights, you eavesdrop. They talk protection rackets, gambling dens. You're tested. Deliver envelope to a shopkeeper. Don't look inside. If police ask, say nothing. You pass. 6 months in, they give you a wooden sword. Beatings start. For training. Survive, you're noticed. Fail visibly, you're out. This is family now. Blood ties optional. Loyalty mandatory. Level 2. The Shate, little brother. You're 19. Proven silent? They promote you. Shate, little brother to Kyodai, big brothers. First real job? Stand watch at an illegal pachinko parlor. Spot undercover cops? Whistle twice. Rival Yakuza? Text Fox. Pay 50,000 yen per week, approximately $350. Small, but real. You run errands, collect roof fees from bars, 10% of earnings. Most pay quietly. Yakuza protect from rivals. One owner refuses. You return at night with 2 Kyodai. Smash slot machines, not him. Next day, he pays double. Violence subtle. No guns, anti-Yakuza laws ban them. Fists, bats, threats. You're tattooed now. First koi fish on your back, symbolizing upstream struggle. Ink hurts for weeks. Done freehand by group artist. It binds you. Can't get legit jobs with visible ink. Rivals spot it, you fight. You win your first brawl. Bruised ribs, but respect earned.